Hi and welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna show you some Funkos. Like this week I believe, the new movie with Black Widow came out. And we got some Funkos to show you. The first one I'm going to show you is this one. Is the Taskmaster. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. I'm sorry I'm laughing. But I can't pronounce it right.
Taskmaster.
Taskmaster. Yes.
With a bow. This one has a bow.
With a bow. And it's again on bobbleheads. Just
You're not happy about it's a bobblehead?
No, because it's falling down. Let me turn it around for you. Look at his ass. Butt cheeks?
Butt check.
Butt checks? I'm sorry.
No, not butt checks. Tasha's doing a butt check. It looks like he's an NPC from a video game. He's like
He's like going everywhere. So yeah. Don't got many details. I must say I like his bow.
Oop. I want to do the bubble check.
You want a bow check?
Nah, not a good bubble.
Not approved.
No. What's the next one?
The next one. I'm sorry.
Are you saying sorry to the box?
Yes, okay. Sorry to the box.
Thank you,
sorry,
Mama.
box.
It's so funny. Thank you.
Just see there.
Thank you.
And we got another one. Another Taskmaster.
With a shield.
I'm gonna lay it down because it's going to fall out. This one goes on shields and a knife.
He has a hoodie as well.
Oh yeah. This one stands better than the first.
Oh, I like this detail more. Better.
Oh, it's more stable than the other one. The
You're
other one was like from, and this one is like, yeah, I'm standing here.
Mm-hmm. You're doing the glitchy NPC again.
Yes. He's like, I'm glitching. Look at me.
Does that thing has to be there? Is that like something that happened in the factory? Or is it just like...
I don't know.
Show the people. Otherwise they don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, what is that?
Look at the little spot on his head.
I'm not sure what that is, but...
Me neither.
Maybe it's a production film.
Yeah, I think it's a production film, but I'm not sure because I'm like, could also be, well, the rest of the costume is like flawless, so I don't know.
It's only his head. It's strange.
Okay, so the next is Jelena Belova. Jelena Belova has a braid on the back of her head, which I'm going to show you guys. Oh, there we go. Wow.
Oh, she did a back. She's done a backflip.
Well, she did something. Okay, so...
Not a backflip.
Oh, that's why. Just gonna lay her down there. That's why she did a backflip. A front flip. I forgot her... Yeah, there you go. So, I really like this actress. It's like a new actress. She was in
Is it Florence?
Florence?
Is it Florence Pugh?
Yeah. I really liked her in Little Women. She also does, not Hereditary, the other one. The horror movie. Midsummer. Midsummer. She should have gotten a award for that. But nope. So this is the back of her head. That's the braid. I think this one is very detailed. She even has like little earrings in. And her costume is white, which Black Widow has also. Don't know why. Maybe that's a startup gear or something. But we find out soon. So I've got another one. Not from Jelena, but from somebody else. There we go.
You're smashing the back card.
Am I smushing the back card?
Back card.
Did I? Oh no. Was there a deck card?
And we can check later.
Okay, but then like I'm not. Oh, oops, oops.
There it is. Sorry.
Oh, it's just doing the same thing again. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. Should have done it the first time. Look how fast that was. Should have done it the first time. So the other one is the Red Guardian. Going to find out pretty soon why he is a Red Guardian, or why he's named that. Okay, there you go. He's also wearing a cool shield. I want to know his background and everything. He doesn't have a stand, so he's very detailed. I'm gonna turn him around. Oh, sorry.
He's bubbly.
Yeah, he doesn't want to stay still. Oh, just gonna put him on his head, making it a glitchy NPC. There we go.
I like the details.
Yeah, I really like his costume, but even on the back, I don't think many people are going to show his back like in display, but it's very detailed. I'm wondering why he has a shield like Captain America, and I'm also wondering if this is like a vibranium shield. But I know nothing about him, so not yet. So I can't tell what he is. I'm going to do the bubble head. Yes, that's a great bubble head.
It's very approved.
Yes. So, last but not least, is the star herself.
You gonna start with the first one?
Natasha.
Natasha.
Natasha is the first star. Natasha!
It's this
Natasha is the star behind the camera! Woo! I remember Natasha was meeting Captain America in Disneyland, and he asked her name, and she said, "I'm Natasha," and he was like this, "Natasha? I want to go on a picture with Natasha." Hey Natasha? Natasha was very flattered, red cheeks and everything.
Oh, she don't. Oh, wait a minute. And here we got Natasha. I'm gonna show you.
Natasha.
Quick glitching.
Also, Natasha didn't know this character was called Natasha at first.
Mm-hmm.
So they were like in Disneyland, they were like, Natasha! Natasha was like, what the fuck? What is that? Why are they calling it Natasha?
Well, she also got a braid in her hair.
I think that's a standard thing that they... I remember that Black Widow wasn't... She was working somewhere else that brainwashed her, and I think she has the same braids like Yelena, so I think...
I'm wondering what she has in her hands.
I don't know.
I think our glow
I can't see it, so...
It looks like the thing from Ant-Man. Like
Oh, the pin,
particles,
yeah.
but I don't know.
Could be. Can I see the box, please?
You want to see the
No,
box?
not Natasha. I want to see the box.
Your box?
Yeah. No, it doesn't. Nah, it's just that bubble head. I thought like maybe they would tell what she's holding.
Oh, so I'm looking. Oh, she got also earrings. I don't know if you can see it.
Ooh, I like this one.
The little earrings.
I like that one.
She got something in her back pocket? Or just her hands. Sorry.
What?
I thought it was something in her back pocket, but it's
Just the hands resting on her
sorry.
hips.
No. And she was like, bye then. I got to sleep.
She's like, oh my god, I got nothing in my back pocket. No?
No, it's just my hands. Just my hands.
Just your hand.
Yes.
So, I will do that.
I'm gonna show you the last one. Another Natasha.
But the one is called Black Widow.
Yes, it's called Black Widow.
Can somebody give me Natasha Romanoff so I can put her in the lineup?
Yes.
Ooh.
Here you go.
She's so cute. You were doing something else.
Oh. Yeah, oh yeah, I was unplugging this one.
Are you distracted by the cute Natasha Romanoff?
Yes. But I got another one. I'm gonna show you now. Bum, 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 bum. Black Widow. And I gotta show you also the back one. She got also on braids on at the left side, sorry. She's hard to move. It's making me difficult to move her. Okay.
What is she holding?
I think some kind of weapon.
I don't know.
I remember that she had like electrical whips. I don't know if they're called whips. Like if that's the same, because that was like the animated series. So I don't know if that's the same weapon. But I think there was like electrical circuit into it, so that you slap somebody in the face or somewhere else, and it's like, you know,
something like that.
Yeah. What about the box?
Yes.
The box.
The box.
So,
the box.
Marjolein, which one do you like the most?
Give me 1 minute.
That's a long minute. If I give
Sorry.
if I have to give you a minute, that's going to be very long.
I don't know. I must say I like the detail on Elena very much, but I also like Natasha.
Oh, Natasha's like, ooh!
I'm really special. Well, I think the two sisters in.
Are they sisters?
I don't think so. No, because she's called Romanov, and Elena is called Belova. What I think is that they're two persons that were in the same. I don't know what's called where Natasha first was, but I think
Maybe a foster family.
Yeah, I mean like colleagues or
Something like that.
yeah.
I'm going to do a close up. Oh, they're so cute.
So these Funkos are borrowed from the Wizardry store. They are $13.99 each. I think I have to buy this because I smooched the backboard. So that's my favorite, by the way. So I think I'm going to buy this.
So it's okay.
Yeah. So if you want to like this video, please do so. Consider subscribing if you have not done it yet. Or just share it to everybody. Share the cool Funkos. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.